Manipur ki National Highway sing Mapung Phaana Ngak Sen-Naba Rajya Sabha ki MP Leisemba Sanajaoba ngasi form ki Rajya Sabha ki miphamda pukhattuna Center ki Pukning Chinsinkhre. Manipur miyam ki lifeline oriba National Highway NESC Imphal Jiribam National Highway number 37 amadi Imphal Dimapur lambi National Highway number 2 da chatok jasin tawbada apan ba pihandanaba security ki akan protection thorang laukhat pinanaba MP ngasi miphamda dakshin ki. MP Leisemba Sanajaoba House the Fongdorakibada National Highway number 2 Imphal Dimapur lambi asi Nagaland amadi Assam faurga India ki atai mafam singa fauna bagi yamna maroiba lambi amani. Aduga Imphal Jiribam lambi National Highway number 37 asina Assam faurga atai state singa samna haliba lambi amani. Aduba laibak chibani Manipur miyam ki lifeline oriba lambi ani asida yamna toina banamadi blockade na chingba chathaba asina miyam ki mathok tabu polam sing pushilakpada apan ayet papibagi mathakta lambi asida chaliba miyam da chawna khudung chadaba mayok na halli loinana lambi ani asida banam de blockade na chingba toina chathaba asina nongmada changdraba yadaba polam sing pushilakpada lefanduna pochai mamal wangkhatpa chana thakna ba amadi petroleum products sing fangdabagi awaba kaya mayok na halli pomna magasagin mathakta lambi asida blockade toina tawbana Manipur da lam koiba lakpa sing da pan bapiduna state ki sanmilonda chawna chaithing pidi hand house ki Pukning Chinsinkhre. Maram sing asig yang National Highway Ngak Sen-Naba akan bathabak laukhat pinanaba Union government ki Pukning Chinsinkhre.
Manipur has only two national highways. Number 1, National Highway number 2, Imphal Dimapur Road connects Manipur to Nagaland and Assam, serving as a vital link to the rest of India. And number 2, National Highway 37, Imphal Jiribam Road, which connects Manipur to Assam and rest of India, facilitating trade and commerce. In fact, these two national highways are the lifelines of Manipur. Sir, but frequent disturbance, burns and blockade, etc. cause many hardships to the people of Manipur. People are facing economic hardship by affecting trade and commerce, supply of essential goods, price hike and scarcity of goods. Passengers face delay, cancellation and the increased travel times affecting daily lives, education and healthcare. Shortage of essential items like food, medicine and fuel exacerbating humanitarian crisis. Frequent disturbances deter tourists and invest, hindering economic growth and development of the state. So, sir, I urge upon the Union government to maintain the two national highways of Manipur safe and secure without any kind of disturbance or blockade so that people can move freely all the years round.